So what's the difference between a pressure wash and a contact wash? A pressure wash is your first line of defense. Using a snow foam or pre-wash, the pressure washer helps loosen and rinse away dirt, salt, and grime without physically touching the car. The big benefit? You're reducing the risk of dragging grit across the paint and causing scratches. A contact wash comes after. This is where you use a wash mitt and car shampoo to gently clean the paintwork by hand. Because you've already removed the heavy dirt with the pressure wash, the contact wash is much safer and gives you that deep, thorough clean. Follow Zirconite Coatings for more pro detailing tips.